Everything on Earth depends on microbes, and they are one of the most fundamental parts of our biosphere. You can't see them, they're everywhere, and they do so many important things for us. And of course, some of them are quite damaging and they can cause disease, and we need to be able to treat them and prevent those infections from happening.
Microbiologists at Reading study microbes in all different forms: bacteria, fungi, viruses, but also things like the viruses that infect bacteria and fungi. Microbiology students learn how to handle and manipulate microorganisms in their first year. They then can go on to ask more complex questions with their deeper understanding and better practical knowledge.
In the labs at the University of Reading, I've learned a really wide range of practical skills, being able to plate and count bacteria, identify pathogens, being able to use a microscope, and also computer-based practical skills as well.
Microbiology is a great degree for learning practical skills, and that's because we do everything from the molecular level all the way through to animals and humans. And the reason for that is because microbes are in every part of life, all the way from the environment and their own microbial communities through to our own microbiome that we couldn't live without.
Having studied microbiology at the University of Reading, there are a really wide range of careers that I could step into, from agriculture to the medical field to food production. For myself, I would like to carry on into academia.
My experience studying microbiology at Reading so far has been absolutely amazing. I've learned such a broad range of new things. I've had so much help from my lecturers, and the practicals have just been absolutely life-changing.
Microbiology students at the University of Reading get to use the campus for a number of their modules. Students get to go out and collect samples in the field and bring these back to the lab and process them.
The third year research project really allowed me to explore my own interests in fungi. I got to design my own research question, and it's been independent research from start to finish, which I feel like is a really important skill to leave university with.
Currently, my Year 3 research project has been the absolute best. I've had such freedom in researching antiplatelet therapies.
I would highly recommend studying microbiology at the University of Reading to a friend. The quality of the teaching has been amazing. The lecturers are actually excited about their fields, and they are experts in their fields.